Hello, everyone. My name is Caroline Passmore, and I am the owner of CRP Specialists, Inc. and Bookkeeping is Fun, LLC. CRP Specialists is my company where we do provide profit strategies, specializing in the nonprofit organizations and the trades to ensure that their books are ready to be sent to their tax preparer. Of course, we will help anyone who does need help because my other company, Bookkeeping is Fun, is where I coach those who are learning bookkeeping and help them to overcome their fear of taking on new clients, gain confidence and experience in books. So I do this by giving those bookkeepers who work with me the opportunity to learn in a supervised live environment of actual books rather than just in a learning environment. So I am opening up my membership community this month, and I'm going to continue on the half price membership price. So for $175 instead of $350, you can join the membership community of Bookkeeping is Fun through to the end of July. So if you feel that this is a great deal, please feel free to sign up. I'll put the link in the chat. Or if you have any additional questions for me, feel free to message me and I will gladly send you any information or answer any questions that you might have. So now I know there are many of you out there asking a lot of questions about what it is I'm talking about. So we are going to talk more about what it is I'm offering. So what I'm offering is how to help you understand the basics accounting principles and how these accounting principles work within your bookkeeping skills. So that is what I want to show you. And today I'm going to kind of touch on a few of the things that I want to talk about. So we're going to start first with the accrual principle. This is a principle that is essentially to accounting as oxygen is to us. But what does it really mean? So simply put, the accrual principle dictates that transactions should be recorded when they occur, not when the actual money changes hands. So this might seem like a small detail, but it can truly dramatically change how a company's financial health is perceived. So let me explain a little further. And I'm going to give you a little bit, try and paint a picture of how this actually works. So imagine a company that sells a product in December, but the customer doesn't pay until January. With the cash method, you'd record the income in January when you actually receive that cash. But with the accrual principle, it says record this in December when you actually made the sale. It's because the economic event, which is the sale, happened in December, regardless of when it was that you received the cash. So this approach gives you a more accurate picture of the company's performance and financial health. So that I hope that helps clarify a little bit about accrual. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about the consistency principle, because consistency is not just to keep life, but also to bookkeeping. So, or I should say it's not the key to life, excuse me, but also to the bookkeeping. Here's why. So let's say in 1 year, you decide to depreciate an asset using the straight line method, but in the next year, you use the declining balance method. So can you see how that might create confusion when trying to compare financial information year over year? So the consistency principle helps us to avoid that type of confusion. Once you decide on a method to apply in your books, stick with that unless there is an absolutely pertinent reason to change. Consistency brings reliability to your financial reports, making them easier to understand and compare. And that is why I'm going to next speak about the reliability principle. Because as bookkeepers, we are like detectives. We seek reliable, verifiable, and objective evidence to support the financial information that we record and report. Truth. guesswork and assumptions have zero place in our world, because in the end, the numbers are the numbers. And when recording a transaction, we should always have documentation to back it up, like a receipt, an invoice, a contract, etc., all of those things. So by sticking to the reliability principle, we not only ensure that books are accurate, but we also provide information that's trustworthy and credible when we stick with the reliability principle. So there you have it. There's a few principles, the accrual principle, consistency principle, and reliability principle. And these aren't just lofty concepts for accounting textbooks. These principles are the compass that guides our day-to-day work as bookkeepers. They help us provide valuable, reliable, and consistent financial information that businesses depend on to make informed decisions. So I hope you found this session insightful. Remember that mastering these principles will set you apart in your bookkeeping journey. And we want to make our work count. So we have to aim for accuracy, consistency, and reliability on all that we do. So these are just a few of the important things that we are covering in the bookkeeping course that is exclusively, and I say that again, it is exclusively available to those who join the Bookkeeping is Fun membership community. Now, again, I'm going to mention that I am opening this membership up through to the end of July for half price. So that half price is $175 instead of $350. So you just use the code, the coupon code BETA, and sign up when you're ready. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out and ask me any questions that you might have. I'm always happy to answer them. So again, my name is Caroline Passmore. I am the owner and profit strategist of CRP Specialists, Inc., and Bookkeeping is Fun. And if you need any assistance with your books, or you need any assistance with your business, please feel free to reach out, and we are very happy to assist. And I can be contacted through Facebook Messenger or by email, or you can schedule a free consultation using the link that's on my Facebook page. So until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day.